Hello, my name is Patti Boulaye, and as part of the Eastside Educational Trust project, I know, I wish, I will. This is a poem by Abigail from De Aston School in Lincolnshire. Clouds altering color, masks wafting in the wind, abandoned buildings, gases scattering, ice melting, islands endangered, pollution thriving, taking over our family, stealing our homes, intruding our privacy. Feel it creeping in windows at night. Trees transform into stumps. People meeting by ash that was once a fire. Pollution thriving. Losing individuality to a life of unconsciousness. Fields of flowers, now fields of craters. Countries fighting for a cure. People living for a cause they can't reach, thinking they will see the sun again. I know that they are wrong. I wish they knew they are wrong. I will tell them they are wrong.